Hi everyone, it's Gail here with an extra little video today. I have 3 journals that are ready to go in my Etsy, so I thought I would do a quick flip through of each one. They will be listed kind of randomly throughout this week. So I just wanted to show you, because some of it we did on camera. We didn't finish it all on camera, and I don't think I did much of the Tim Holtz at all. So this was my July Craft Text cover. Gee, I don't know why that couldn't come. Cover, and it's Dancing with Pansies from Louise Heinzel. So I'll put her in the description box as well. So we did this fun little fabric flip on the front with a little art definition there. It's got my coffee dyed papers on the back. These are from my, these are digitals from my shop, I should say. And some pretty coffee dye, little bag here. I'm just going to super quick go through these, just show everything, and then move right along, because I have today's video to do. So, and then it tucked in here, this is Shabby Dabby Doodah, her botanical ballroom kit. This is Shabby Dabby Doodah. Here is one of the beautiful prints from Louise. Again, my digital. These fun pockets with all this the slots. Decorated it up a little bit and put a bunch of journaling cards in there. This is a little music page, and it's got a little belly band there. Notebook in there. And avocado dyed paper and doily. Isn't that fun? Lots of journaling space in this. Again, this is one of my coffee dyed. This little pocket has a little bit of Shabby Dabby Doodah, a little bit of Louise, and a little napkin decoupaged, a coffee dyed tag. This is a Nats collaged journaling card. Little pocket and collage tag with a napkin, little sack there. Little envelope and a journaling card tucked in this collaged belly band here. Some beautiful ribbon there. There's your middle. I need to put charms on that. I'll remember to do that. This is a flip out. Little double pocket here. That's a tuck behind for this journaling card. Little collage journaling card. Little tag in the pocket. And this one. And a great big pocket with a collaged tag in the pocket. And this big tag creates a pocket here that we have coffee dyed. I believe these are HM Creations by V. I'm pretty sure. It's either that or Carol Lane. So, and the belly band again with the journaling card. Here's the other slotted pocket that I decorated up a little bit and put a bunch of little goodies in. Here is a flip down to, to be able to write all your secrets. Here's a little tag, again, for journaling. This little pocket just wraps around this page, and it's got this piece. This is from Shabby Dabby Doodah's kit. And then this piece from Louise's. And then same over here, journaling card tag, and this little piece. So like I say, lots of journaling spots in this little journal. So there we go. That is this will be listed as Dancing with Pansies. Okay, and then let's do the Tim Holtz. So it's got one of the awesome hearts from a Padded Heart company. So I'm hoping I don't forget anybody when I put everybody in the listings, but I'll do my very best, as I always do. So we've got the little heart on there. This front pocket has this piece that is all collaged up and has a couple of little fun snippet scraps on there. Oh, this little pocket stuck out over the edge, so I put a little quote on it, mementos of lives lived. And then in this one, I have the This Book Belongs To coffee dyed index card and these cute little Tim Holtz girls. I thought they should be on a page that said pretty. Okay, lots of journaling space. Oh, this is Original Art Studio, and what is the name of the kit? Do I know? Hang on. It might be Shared Memory. It might be that one. Or it's one that has maps. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. I'll try and put it in the description box, but it's a travel one, I think. But I don't know. I mixed those two kits, so I'm not positive. Okay, pocket, layered tag, journaling card, little tag, bingo. And this one, this little pocket has a little index card in there, double tag, index card. Also has a pretty little paper clip. This is a little pocket that I made with vellum and put a time card in there and a little collage. Some latitude. That's latitude. So it goes kind of with the traveling theme. We have this little card in here. Little slow stitching on that journaling card. This little pocket. Fabric flip. Belly band with a little paper clip and a card, index card that's stamped on. Yeah, this is the traveling kit from Original Art Studio, and I'm not positive. I'll have to look up the name. This is an over-the-page embelly clip, so both sides are decorated. Little tags, couple tags in this pocket. It's also a tuck back here. A little bit of vellum on the bingo strip there. Little pocket with a guest check and tag. I think this guest check might have been made by Austin Arnold, Crafty Boo Bro. Little sack, decorated sack, and this decorated envelope. And then kind of a little mixed media tag in the back. That is one that I did many moons ago. Okay, so that is Tim Holtz. And might call it Tim Holtz Travel just because it's got the maps and everything. Okay, so there's that one. Then last but not least is the fall journal that we worked on most recently. It's just tied with some rust-colored sari silk. I put some lace on a few of the pages. We've got the little flip here. Got a couple of collaged tags in this big pocket. Oh, and this kit is Jewel Design, her autumn kit. I can't remember the exact name. I'll put it all in the description box. Too much. There's too much to remember. We've got a tag and a little journaling card from Two Sisters General Store on Etsy. Little tag in there. Did I say this flipped out? I think I was trying to remember the name of the kit when I did that. Couple of collage tags. Journal card. Some more lace. Little tuck here that I put this index card in. So pretty. And the little tuck. Both of those items came in Happy Mail. We've got a tuck behind here. And then a little journaling card popped into this pocket. This pocket was made by Carrie the Crafter, and I just decorated it. This is from Amy at Crafty Cat USA. I also used hers. This is from a Jewel Design. So used both of them in this one. The pages are for the most part from a Jewel Design. This is from Two Sisters General Store again. This little piece, it's got a journaling card in here. It's got a tag that I used modeling paste on there. And then there's our inside. This side has this little squirrel's tag and a collage journal card in the back here. And then this one. Okay, then this little pocket has a layered tag. This one was from my handmade ephemera, is where this one came from, I do believe. I'm not sure why the string's coming out, but we're just going to fix it. This is one of my eco-dyed tags that I just layered some stuff up on. A little eco-dyed sheet that's also from my digitals. Some lace. I put a little envelope here so you can tuck something in there. And then it's got a tag here. And in this tuck spot, I put, this is one of the letters from Roxy Creations. Book pages, antique book pages. And one of the Jewel Design kit tags, and a little journal card that was gifted to me, and a couple more things from the kit. Collaged journal or a collage belly band that was gifted to me as well. And then this is a little journal card that we made with rice paper. Flip down. And a big tag. Oops. Oh, that was a sticky label that doesn't want to stick very badly. Double tag that I made with one of the tags that I did the napkins over the neutral background. Big old tag here. Made this for my yellow and yo-yos for the alphabet challenge. So that goes in there. Little sack, and I've got this cute little journal card in there. Can be removed because it does have corrugated cardboard, so it's kind of thick and lumpy. And there we go. So there is the fall one. So like I say, randomly these will be listed. I'll try. I don't know if I'll get all the Etsy stores that I mentioned, but I'll try and get the main ones that were in these journals as the pages for sure. So thanks so much, everybody, for watching, and we'll just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye-bye.